Happy morning, children. Now see practice set 2.1 question number 3 we have to do. Write the following rational numbers in P upon Q form. See here 0.6, here like this star is given, or we can put dot also. Here bar is given 0.37. They are all in decimal form and we have to write in numerator upon denominator, that is P by Q form we have to write. So if we have to write it in P by Q form, that is we want numerator and we want denominator also. So that's a rational number. Then what we have to do, some method has to be followed. So just if you see your textbook, here one example is given where 0.777 and dot 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 means what? 7 is recurring. So like this dot we can put. Okay, you can just put a dot. So here they have written let x is equal to 0.777 dot 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 is equal, this 7777 dot 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 is equal to 0.7 dot up, like that. This is the way to write. Now you have to multiply both the sides by 10. If you multiply both the sides by 10, naturally the decimal point will shift by 1 digit. So you will get 7.777 dot dot dot, means both ways they are showing it. And here now 777 is recurring, so you will have 7.7 dot. Then what is being done? This 10x minus x, left hand side, you are subtracting. So I just put here 1, I am showing it here and I am showing it second. Second minus 1 means 10x minus x, and 7.7 bar minus 0.7 bar. So all these 77777 they are all repeating, and so minus it is. So you will get 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 7 all 0. And here 7 minus 0, that is 7. And 10x minus x is 9x. So 9x is equal to 7, so x is 7 by 9. So in the same method, you have to solve this one. But here the only thing is, here they gave 777 dot 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 dot. Here shortcut is given to you. Directly they have written 0.6 dot up. Okay, so you can do it very easily. So I'll just show it to you. Now same method we will follow. Now already 0.6 dot up means recurring. It's a recurring decimal. So what I will write first, let x is equal to. So first step will be let x is equal to 0.6 up dot. Okay, the first step is easy, clear to you. After that what we have to do, 6 is the recurring digit, is the only recurring digit. So now we have to multiply by 10. There is only one digit, no? So you should multiply by 10. If 2 digits are recurring, you have to multiply by 100. That is actually the shortcut. 3 digits are recurring, you have to multiply by 100. Sorry, you have to multiply by 1000. That you have to change. That you should understand. Now only one digit 6 is recurring, so I have to multiply by 10. This is the method. So if I multiply by 10, 10 into x is, I'll write it like this, 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.6 dot up. 10x is equal to, now if I am going to multiply 10 into 0.6 bar, then what will happen? The decimal point, so see I'll show it to you like this, then you will understand. 10 into 0.6 here dot means what? Into 0.666 and so on. So if that is going to happen, the decimal point will shift. I'll write it down like this, 10 into 0.66 dot 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 is equal to 10 into, so this decimal point will shift to the right by 1 digit, correct? So what you will have, 6.66 dot 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 dot. So many are there, I just wrote 2. So now if it shifts here, then what you will get, 6.66666 and so on. So 10 into 0.6 dot will be 6.6 dot. Okay, so now this, I hope this you have understood. So now what we will do, subtraction. This I will take it as 1. I should not have put this, and this I will take it as second. So you will have 10x minus x is equal to left hand side and right hand side 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot. So these are all 6 all are recurring, that I showed you. They all will be 0. It means 6.6666 and so on. And 0. 0.666 and so on. So many are there. There is no end. 6 minus 0 is 6. So what you are getting? 10x minus x is 9x. 9x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 9. So x is equal to, now in 3's table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is the way you can get the answer. I hope you have understood. So see students, now practice set 2.1, question number 3rd. First example we have done. Second you can take it for homework because that is very simple, and third one I am going to do it. See here, practice set 2.1, third example. Second, and see, after decimal point for second, 37 is recurring, and here after decimal point 17 is recurring. So they are of the same type only. So one I am showing you, one you can do on your own. Now as I told you, if 2 digits are recurring, 17, 17, 17, 17, then what we have to do? First step, first we will write, let x is equal to, let x is equal to 3.17 bar. Now bar is given because there are 2 digits are recurring and there is no dot here. So now what we will do, let x is equal to, uske baad what you will do, multiply both the sides by 100. I told you because after decimal point 2 digits are recurring. So you have to multiply 100 into x is equal to 3.17 bar into 100. So 100 into x is 100x is equal to, now this you will know now, 3 point. So the decimal point will shift by 2 digits from left. See, I hope you know what is left and what is right. From here, if you compare this one is to the right and point is to the left. So the decimal point will shift 1 digit, 2 digits because 100 is there. So 2 zeros are there. So decimal point will shift by 2 digits. So you will get 317 point, because 171717 there is no end to it. So you can put like this. I hope you have understood this multiplication part. There is no need to do it separately. The 3.17 bar into 100. So the decimal point will shift and you will get the answer 317.17 bar. Now 100x, this we have got and this we have got. So I'll take this as 1 and this as second. So second minus 1. Second minus 1. So if you want I can write 2 minus 1. So 100x minus x. 100x minus x is equal to 317.17 bar minus 3.17 bar. Okay, so now this one is very easy. 100x minus x is 99x. So you can write 99x is equal to, now see, 370, now 1717171717. Here, okay, I will write here 317.17 bar here, 3.17 bar. So what will happen? All 110, 770, 17171717. So everywhere after decimal point you will get 00000. 7 minus 3, 4, 314. So what you will get here? 314. So x is equal to 314 upon 99. So the sums are not at all difficult. For this also you do the same. There is here what you will be doing. 89 is there. for the third example. So you again same thing, multiply by 100 here also. And for the fifth one, there is 514, 514. So you multiply by 1000 and get this answer. Should we do the fifth one example, or you can do it? 514 means multiply by 1000. That is not at all difficult. So that we can complete this exercise. Just multiply by 1000 and get your answer. Okay.